Gal's DIYs, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make DIY Unicorn Snot and Glitter Lip Balm. Now, let's get started! For the Unicorn Snot, you'll be needing Aloe Vera gel, as well as Cosmetic glitter. For the glitter lip balm, you will also be needing Cosmetic glitter, as well as beeswax. Essential oils. I have baby oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, as well as peppermint and lavender essential oils. These are just the oils that I had on hand, but you can use any oils that you want. Now, let's get DIYing. For the first step, you're going to need aloe vera gel, as well as cosmetic glitter and any colors of your choice, and obviously a measuring utensil and cups. So you can do any measurements that you want as long as it's a 3-to-1 ratio. So you should have 3 things of this and 1 thing of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do 3 teaspoons of aloe vera and 1 teaspoon of cosmetic glitter. I'm doing green, darker green, white, and gold, and I'm just going to mix this all together for St. Patty's Day. Once you're done making your unicorn goo, you're just going to want to gather it into a spoon, and then I'm just using this container which held the cosmetic glitter, but I used it most. I am now going to repeat those steps with a different color, blue. I am now going to apply the unicorn snot to my hair. All you're going to want to do is take a little bit of the snot in between your fingers and just gently rub that over your hair. For DIY lip balm, it's a 3-to-1 ratio again. So, 3 teaspoons of oil to 1 teaspoon of beeswax. And you can use any oils that you want. So I'm going to start by doing 1 teaspoon of baby oil, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and then half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and the rest is going to be essential oils. I'm going to move on, and I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of beeswax, and make sure you don't pack it too tightly. The beeswax is in this mixture to harden it, so that's why you don't want to use too much. We are now going to put this in the microwave for about a minute, or until the beeswax is fully melted. After being in the microwave for 1 minute, it's completely melted. So you're just going to want to give it a quick mix, and then pour it into your containers. I'm going to do half of the mixture in one and half of the mixture in the other so that I can make 2 colors. And be careful, this is pretty hot. Once you've completely mixed them together, you're going to want to go and put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. OMG, these are so moisturizing and they feel amazing. And not to mention, they look so pretty. Can I kiss the mirror?
No.
But I really want to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. And if you recreate any of the DIYs made on this channel, make sure to post it on social media saying #DelDIYs by me. Also, you need to enter my giveaway. For information on that, go check out my last video, which was DIY egg hunts. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on now.